Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring to you another new recipe this week, and this time I'm sharing with you how I make coconut buns. Coconut buns is similar to a scone or a biscuit, and what I love about it is that it packs a lot of coconut flavor with just a touch of sweetness. Stay tuned and I'll show you exactly how I get it done. The first step is to mix the dry ingredients in a bowl, and I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking powder, and I'm going to mix it together. Then I'm going to add half a cup of cold butter cut into small pieces to the flour. Using my fingers, I am going to work the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse cornmeal. I find this to be very simple to do it this way, but you can also use a pastry cutter to do this step. And I'm just rubbing it together until there are no big lumps of butter remaining. And this is pretty much what you want your mixture to look like. If you notice there are no big pieces of butter, it's pretty much just rubbed into the flour. Next, I'm going to add brown sugar and coconut flakes. I'm using pre-shredded coconut because my coconut was rotten, and this works just as well. Next, we're going to add currants or raisins to the mixture. Now I'm going to give it a good mix to make sure everything is combined and evenly distributed. We finished with all of our dry ingredients, we're going to get started on the wet ingredients. I'm going to crack 2 eggs into a bowl and whisk it with almond and vanilla extract. Next, I'm going to add the eggs to the dry ingredients, and I'm going to stir it just until everything has combined. You don't want to overwork the mixture. One thing that I love about this recipe is how simple it is. If I'm having a sweet tooth, I can literally whip this together in no time. And it's simple enough that anyone can do this. The next thing we're going to do is drop the dough by spoonfuls onto a baking sheet. And this makes approximately 8 coconut buns. The final step is to place these into an oven that's been preheated at 350 degrees and allow it to bake for about 25 minutes or until when it's golden brown. And that's it. You're done. Super simple. They taste amazing, and let me tell you, the smell is absolutely divine. The recipe is below in the description box. Please be sure to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.